So please, if the change is 128 cedis, ask yourself, the last time Akufo-Addo increased a bag of cocoa, how much did he increase it by? And when Atuforsen and President Mahama increased by a bag of cocoa, how much have they increased? At the end of the day, that is the analysis everybody.
Doesn't matter that they are giving the farmers 70% of what they are getting from the international market.
The farmers. Go and ask the farmers on the ground. They'll tell you.
Okay, Eti also go and ask the farmers on the ground. And we'll go to the farmers and then yet you will so. Now, Cecilia, dear, Mr. Ka.
What's
Good news for now. Every cocoa farmer. Oh,
and your good news how?
Sir.
Hey, and go for come. Price in a buy and they say me for chrome kakra no want so. He be when you happy too much. He be when you happy cry.
The last time I knew Jerome analysis instead of say we use 8,300 you use 8,000 yeah all the analysis. And all the analysis I hear in no, you could see 3,605.
Yeah.
Say a bino makuku no a bona.
Yeah.
Niana sa time na ye analysis no.
Yeah.
But or science so the caveat eto ho say a bona able to me aba form.
Yeah.
And woman call ya no so no. Woman anko no. Once the last of my money into a man could on the 8,409 the analysis no
yeah.
But they had it at 7,200.
Okay.
So
that is a swat
quarter. And a swat no crampo no. Many of the views say the farmer no must still enjoy.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I say no error.
Yeah, because see sana etiama yenche etifo ni yahwefo a omohwe o Facebook live My Liberty FM na de tiene se kokontumu ni de aba but akuafo no bi mu nya happy too much. In fact say the last time you didn't come ye analysis na yehwe kokobuo no se ne besi akwafa na ye calculation no per figures ya Jerome de ma na ekosi say nka sa hobre no na ye tokoko a what's a bag baako 3,605 no na sisia no adwama so no bo no aba from metre FOB price no sisia no per the Jerome kan ne dia abegina 7,200 enti na 7,200 so wo de calculation na ebo no so ehwan enti sisia no na chese kokobuo no ye ka se ye chirema sisia na akwa kuduru 3,200 and something which Jerome chirem se sa price we say no ye price ya ye pa ema akuafo na wo hwe Africa ha se so a amama ya Africa ha se nyina so hwe magana ye bo no ena ye pa wo de compare Cote d'Ivoire se Cote d'Ivoire ya na enu omusi akan wo koko price won kra no eni no Ghana ye ne price no kra no yes na omo de a chese wo hwe difference da enu omo 1,000
Kofi Armstrong Richard 8 year na ose owo kakra eka nti mayentie Armstrong anapai. Good morning Armstrong.
Yeah, Kayaso, good morning.
Na apomo e
what the other room afode wo
yankoma ye die na ose wo bi eka ewo koko nsansami eho ebo no abetodwa no kakra be na ose wo eka efa ho
minia mamenna na menfa akonya iso na menfa nchas from emma fashifo so so nene patam the whole western north now. Now I think I want to sympathize with the cocoa farmer. Sabe, as I say, yeboa won samre ya womu oyini yebeka so yini atu omo a sabe omo da yesu nyina emanka o mabra bo nhihye ya o maye o manim se enka sabe yitie nipa no asem na ye de atoto ya bra bo e de ahihye de pese ya bra bo koso we nimu a ye nyina boni beka ne se ye dikan den the fan say we estimate stay in the beba yen busumi way into way na metumi a ye going forward me na ye koda sorry ya Dia esi Ghana ya dia as I say Timmy go into Guinness Book of Records.
Oh, how?
Say yeah, it's politically. Dia nim kwase pa na ye boni be kan say is the biggest cheat ever. And trokesi a ye twa kire nipa ye hwe nipa ni me twa no a santro no as I say etna eni nipa tna da since Ghana be ye Ghana and try politician etimi ahwe nipa ni me twa kire no a sa nipa no ensem patoto sa eni ye de sa nipa no ye de asi minia ye nyina ye be kai say eno echi a ye be call last election ye betimi anya ye John Mahama His Excellency ye benya Honorable Samson Ahi ye benya the current health minister Honorable Akando na masenya mi akasa bi dia Samchero on Liberty FM menatna ho as co-panelist on several occasions and ye di koko nkomo
Liberty FM
Samchero promise ye on your show say NDC when the power ye be ma the koko farmer not less than, and I'm choosing his words, not less than 50 million. This is Sam Jerome on Liberty FM on so many occasions.
Pacho, hold on. 60 million, no, not at what rate to the dollar then?
Minia, so we saw the rate, and the politics, baby.
Because Bekaya, Sansam Namunina Moka. Yesterday I heard Kojo Oponkruma also making same allegation. Say, Womo Ekasobema Kuyenino 6,000. Fine. But the 6,000 no na to that dollar rate at that time. Is that not it?
Yes, please.
And fast forward to today, the dollar no akofom. So can the cocoa board give the farmer the 6,000 as they promised during that time and Omuisu 16 cities that time?
No. When NPP was leaving power, the government said the dollar to CD ratio was 14.
All right, so let's go by the 1490.
Very good. And as it stands now, they will tell you say you were 10.40. But Abuchi the $1 no. Trading at 10.
But you are very aware that the government doesn't deal with Abuchi.
But that has been the trend. This is politics that we are doing. They are NDC.
So if you are doing politics, you have to go to the Abuchi.
Oh sure, probably.
But you are very aware that the government doesn't deal with Abuchi. The government deals. Yes, okay. So if you understand me, fast forward to what I'm telling you. Yes, sir.
Forward. Even if you are considering the 14 to the 90 percent, and we are considering today 10 to the 40 percent, I would say, sir, at least there was some 4 Ghana difference in the room, and I admit that. But I always tell you, sir, it is politics that we are doing. But also what I say, right now that we are in say the FOB price is 7,200. And this is for the communication. I mean, you have something of none of the training or say Armstrong. Say, and they can't actually cook any and I can't any. Yenja figure your country, but you are not somewhere you catch the part of the FID Kayade, where you found Jerome. And then come any better some any million Sam Jerome, Liberty. Now you figures. Near the Yamuasem, near what do so liberty between your Bama yeti. That is the argument I'm making. It's maybe any say, NDC bet me actually, but this is shambolic.
Liberty FM.
Many who can say the NDC as and most of them they are struggling or more pressure or more keke. And they are trying say Ghana fui the akusini and chimuni the sabi winning time and near wa by mono. Cocoa price but say communicators ni na no maybe a kojo upon chroma ebe calling on the friend says Zoom. What check the position of the party. This is how we are going to communicate. But if you will some you know, now acquire day to explain because of Insembia Yakapen. It's been say want the same thing. And now I can say the NDC communicators are struggling to accept the situation. And then say, one more videos some videos no said no, we can't go and say this to the farmer. Armstrong had already said it because of the dollar dropping. What one shot NDC into ideally, not can say NDC to cocoa price more because of the dollar. There was a time an NDC person said, John Mahama, by July ending there, not dollar for 5 Ghana cedi. John Mahama responded or said, please, that will break the economy. So it means the NDC who are jubilating with the dollar coming down, of which males may jubilate, but the negative consequences. No. They also believe that the more the dollar comes down, the economy is likely to go broke. It is a NDC and to Koko Mumpua and can make Armstrong, honestly, the problem because of the dollar. But the NDC in some waka, Nebosha or the Ashe the Cocoa farmer. Emma baby, I'm sure it's free, you know. Sabi, and yes, Kaya so Bushu Swan, Wakatuana, Oje 50 million, yeah, they call 100 million.
I'm going to fast some remio.
It's just an that's why it's just an assumption. 50 million is a 50 million, they might Kayasu. And the boss, the management has promised. So, Debbie, I am a new manager. I say the mapper. And remember 100 million. Next year, remember 100 million. Then you endorse that. Not say you do, baby, I agree. They catch now say, looking at these factors, in the year, Abamubu Beba. I mean, the Mebuso, Nama say, the cocoa farmers say, in this moment, you know, we now become soon. But Omon Kai said, me Armstrong, me Gusuka Kai won. Say, NDC are buying the persons are buying. Or better we end it, it's not by the for. It's maybe happy. The only thing that we can do, they said, yes, say, I ye. And the end say, a Ghanaian voter, and I can't do the Ghanaian not for once election to do. Meaning, said, yes, NDC has lost a whole lot of votes. And we are going to let the cocoa farmer know. Menoka said the cocoa farmers of Western North region, they are planning to have a demonstration. And so sadly we could see yes, at the end of the free moaba. That's it. But
Nini Namuna answer now BECHEM Makoro. Do you accept that there has been a change in cocoa price?
Minia, I really accept say cocoa price are NPP fan of 475 now. 8 years are over by Mono. Now 31 million.
So why not give the NDC also the next 8 years so that you can judge them by what you are saying?
NDC are not being given such a duration because
no, you are saying you said the MPP FN from 4 something, but 8 years or more free abayamono na akwako drew say. So why not give the NDC same embrana mo de access MPP no?
NDC about buying muda from 2009 to 2012 up to 2016.
And that time na NDC free abayamu na wo mo edi cocoa bo no eja na nado dan kwakufu adu so said no na it owo baby and na nado si di koduru baby it is a new government so about ono so afa or the kwakoduru baby why not give that government a leverage? Yes sir.
Strong there me say no pay dia me what can I say? I am sympathizing with the poor cocoa farmer. That is the only thing I have to say. And then because and then me know can say Sunday, bridge abo cocoa farmers na brabo. And me know can say yes, bridge abo me know can say almost them am for my cocoa going to me from pie. To see a real waba. Cocoa farmer this year.
Liberty FM.
One in the United States. And to say my one man now, me say NDC politics no year 2024 and no be there be ye mfafika sen country o wa no asem a obeka no and no be beach na so ye dey prosecute you.
But Armstrong, from 3,100 to 5,040 cedis, and too huge an amount for a farmer to be happy with.
Oh, minia.
Yes.
The question will be something. Sanka media. It may be some NDC that time would say, cocoa now to say what 3,000, they about 3,001. How much can from 65 million? Don't you think it is so huge to be paid to the cocoa farmer? But some she will media went to me and Mr. NDC 10. And me know can say me last year I was just assessing the NDC 6 months in office on one television. And I said it fair. I
Liberty FM.
Why? Because when you are buying more, you see the fundamentals different. The moment I be grab by him and said that, I cannot say that they had their reason. You get it right. And you say, when you are buying more, you might think, say, young Cabia, who be grab by more, you see it's different. NDC promises, say, I buy a catch, I buy you my 4. It's a second, I catch you by 30%. That was the proposition from the NDC. You are to a baby NDC are winning. Meaning, we are aware, say, all government workers, John Mahama Maya, just 10%. It is that political dishonesty and insincerity. It has been part of John Mahama ever winning power. As a politician, because I was not spending money. But then look and say, they do already know about I'm from import the chair because the car baby and fuel and metal 1 liter beer once to the one. This NDC government, is smart. And they did the American say, I am so much MPP quite to me. You know, 2 million. Media for ya, say the media and they carry the voice of the people. Then you know what tonight. The media and me only sounds from coming them straightforward. But a tree question out beside me, Sambre can no tonight, and I come to me this. But also today you are asking me.
May the party be enemy to you? I'm just doing my job and asking questions. If somebody couldn't ask this question last 4 years or whatever, it doesn't mean this year it cannot be asked.
When you are asking me today, and they will be something because a politician, politicians, when you say honestly, looking at the figures that we're having right now, and at least a ton of 4,000 okay. But because of politicians, they are not some way, and maybe a tribunal, and when they have somewhere. What shall we say if we January come up 1,000 Ghana a day? If you want to Obama and the Kayama, it's a say Wali Wia, or by our Semama 400 Ghana. We could be a Wali Bikusada.
And a bow in a crocodile John. That is what you mean. Okay. All right. Armstrong Benassi. Armstrong Kofi Richard Obia or MPP Banyokunuma or also all pray to become the regional communication director. Or no ena yetining. But Mr. Kana no eguso wo kanse na me so one.
Kwasinti the politicians no omo kwan befa so aka koku ne price in wasem but yenso ye be kire adwen kakra. In fact I'm not say price ne buy no menya kwanya ne kokko akuafo ni bidi nkomo na omo to kokko ni bidi nkomo ebi mo kire se ankoya mfa mo to kokko no ebi mi se no omo to kokko na guo no tankin se bi antumo ne be den e be ba na nkaja omo to omo nya hu bi na dia ko ide
but say what 16 bags ne gu hodoma say when your profit o
kwasi enye profit we no omo hwehwe
no omo hwehwe ne say
no omo hwehwe say nka anya hwe kura no e was price no ko gina be say 3,500.
Yes, because per the analysis I mean no Jerome last year at least they are around 3,605.
Yes,
but I don't know you sue $8,000 for a FOB.
Exactly.
Good, but this time no near a buy on 7,200.
Because one
which is FOB nankasa kwampo you soon as time
Eswati no press. But when you say ordinary cocoa farmer no check FOB price.
Oh yeah, sure.
One of the obeka and what the adwuma. One say the last time I can say was say a bar fuel, a bar cocoa and sensem one and you can see the yamanosem. So what the yamanosem be wobble. Because last year campaign time and some CC I was say to cocoa 60 million and I did now wash you. Now be someone say eh na Ghana he bet me see. Say a baby be baso abe to cocoa system and possible. And we baby and a cocoa no plan price for and a baby a former administration pija could do and I mean when say new administration ba a bed in some between. And once on Jerome when Armstrong Kasano no kasa so man to mumpanka oni asembiaka. But so also would to dia and then also 2 man could do baby. But with sent to Muna ban or no one say enough.
But 128.
Yes.
Ghana cedis.
Because it's so much to 1 Ghana crying to move, but koko kwiani no the expectation na nye 100 cedis ne 28 eguso because na bi mo hwehwe say was nke dru be 3005 but here is the case say aban so ko adwama so no ebo a nanka wode kotokoko ne so ayeden ate enti pe omoso nimdie mu no omunyanse mu ne say price we ene yede ma koko kwiani na ebebo and again on say koko no so enye sika ne nyina na wasa aban ne de ma koko kwiani no you sack on beto de yede koko ne begum eba haulage say yes say koko na firi ade akọ habo ama chef de akọ sesi free fertilizer yi eno so yeden ba ene ne marketing kiti bi eno so kan ho ma koko adwuma ne yeden ekoso nti for now no o kan wa kan say this is the cocoa price aba ntumu aba no nti mesra kuafo ne say omunsom
sa
omunsom no monyi ntum
all right kwazi Mr. Kase omubu ofunso omunsom sa we akwakwa e mambisa
me ya me das me chetifo nyina na baby ana me be sha safe ho na menu an wo de ende ye no say Ghana politicians no it's about time I was before so we make you promise bi no say ya we search ekwa animu ansa na nyama bi ti say cocoa price nyama bi ti say electricity water and fuel so any man no yemfa enye politics because yenim ade sesi etianum yenim say the next minute yenim say sebia world market price of fuel and I say other things and say once Ghana ye bibia ye import it a few things me them say export it. It means that say how no changes in yaba hope e be affect ye wa ha. And so our politicians are supposed to be mindful of promises na ya omo emano. Because that notwithstanding no I think say minuano the platform na the man campaign mum na na ye. The point is that yentimi mfa yekosu nyina so ngu basket baakum other sectors na ho nyina so bia here development menu Mr. Kabobo nsem bi so say due tax e dikoko begum ne transportation workers on be ho adwuma and others ni nyina e factor as well as agrochemicals ne manema bi a enso be here be beef up koko the ATV produce wa say no and so you can say scan nyina na ne nyina kwose wo yemfa makuani no wa hanoma other sectors will suffer and I was watching something na the former road minister and a current road minister and I said banter bi e wo montem the point is that on say President Mahama na just say contractors are more adwuma as mudu ba bi on person mudu nyina they should continue and that they will pay through the big push agenda no because he says can we more modi betuatua say contracts on them and airness can so power say scan mun nyina say these are some of the areas o man be hia sika because other than that yeah be say complain say o na ye kwan nye we nye wo hunti na meka say de kosu nyina gu basket ba kumu a na say ehwe ase what do we do and so may our advice parents friends and cocoa farmers no dem say tena ha emienu ne ka ho asem say kuafo no mpo no ebe ye mpo anka say omo so say de yen government workers ya yenya pension scheme or whatsoever na say omo so kra no omo nya bi it means that omo tumu yi a anka ye nyina ye ni beje but dem say ye so hwe o size na akoto material de be pam woni ema say see ebe ye ni enya sikanto ebe na bi by Ghana ha dem say some few years back na cocoa ni wo ho but there was no money to buy the cocoa when the best channel we nyina ka de ye kan hu because there was no proper planning and yes so yentum ni enfam pay vote yentum ni enfam win the hearts of the farmers and then when the time came someone for camera ni enfam to cocoa no ye nyina ate Ghana ha nim de see ye until we advise our farmers no say enye hwe omo ema ye mfa sa china there could be another thing be betimi aboa wo mo and na ye nso so ye politicians no ma ye mfa we as an opportunity there be make us a time I was say the dwene Ghana ho no be hu ane de ka ade na nya ba wie price na nya ba wie the best thing is say we see assume then we look at what will happen tomorrow until mama yen can send be men ko yesa kuafo no be nu omo ho mama yen show more than because like you were saying your time came em say na your second leading producer of cocoa and I say be sir but say aye wa he because na make us bi mo dwuma mo anye ne ye nti amaga na cocoa nyina awu ebi mo enema bi a mo an kan kire kuafo se bi a enye chemical we bi a be tidin bi an akoto de agu wofo so because there was no coaching from the sector na was say ba no na ma cocoa nyina ati akofo ntimi fi say yenhwe obi timi ton ice water then time no go school na 10 pesos ebi disi abrosan and it doesn't matter how much obi and one say ka betima expand your farm no obi nya sa zeal na hoden no na wa ye say do so a say 100 cedis or 50 cedis when that's because I think say o ka bomu a ebe sika ma otimi de bi ahwe o ma na de bi nso other things.
All right. Meda Prince Kwesi Amponsan Sroja ase. Meda Mr. Council so ase. Yabra no eko na nso no yema etiefo no ebre kakra. Kokwa kuyafo mu 80 ye ene anopai. Yetie mu 0536304072 0322296342. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, Kasu.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Kofi, you say your chance on a permit. Na Machia, Nimia Ketua Zikata Mobodu.
Liberty FM.
We are Machia 2 and 2, Makelawia. Na Masamui and Nayakahubi. Papa, we have what the Papa no Wadada. Since that time, no, I had no $1. Eti, no moon almost see Baumia da Papo, no one to me and $1. Baumia da Papo to me and $1. Now what about $1? Not just a Bono can say that time I was 33,000. What's the matter? So, and to see as MPP are buying number 23,000 what way. I can then not $1, Muja buy a moya dear, watching. I can be satisfied and I said, and none there was a much or much because and no chi or budget about to quay in noon Bosumi. Was equal corner or be my 70%. It is 70% in it. 100 cities to 80.
70%. No.
70% no the annual deal.
Okay.
Say, Baumia, or one who was in a $50 or $1 portion. Say, I want to show and I $1 number from and $1 $87 and you $1 and cost number for
all right, but as Mr. Kofi, that was Swadron Check 0536304072 0322296342. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho udini wase mwa.
Udini Bobo Dumam Kafefe.
All right, Bobo Dumam yintio.
Media.
Liberty FM.
Yaho papa. You need that to say the kuku is 16 years. You want to a way. Set a one to cry and ya. Hey. No. Say Anna. I didn't want to say you were set member and tell you with yourself. You see in a deba.
But that's it. Yam for the 0536304072 0322296342. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ajam pacho udin.
Pacha Grumane say Barbara.
Kasa.
Yo. $7 you know na Zani na for power. Because most kuku mobile on betum. Obviously 4.750 H31 3001 most one yeshi. You buy that one 6,000. Into one team free. When the money buy one team free on one bank and milk yapo. That's by Ghana. I mean, I'm a ref. The mamma can't woo ya said in Kenya. Yasa. Most you train your Juma. But maybe 28 years in your Juma. But just tell me, I could say about who is catching me. Now, maybe that's what you want air. On the by done when you're after.
Medasi. Nyame Israel no so wadwenche. Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Ajam pacho udin wase. Boko.
So pacho Clement apale bi atu kwenso. Ano pa ni chawo na mache wache fo nyina nam dem chaka se na mazem lady. Apan ye beta na se. To anamosia obere magana tom ba oba in bibinti. Ano so se se kwototi na fa ko pampa so na tom. Abanta wonya nkwa na watu anamo apesa de bo mangana. Nani na tinpo one